Okay, guys, so I hope you will be fine. So, in this video, I am gonna be covering all your assignment questions. So, this is basically a phase number one in your main skill, which is AI automation. This is the basically skill where you are gonna be covering everything like its tools, such as N10, as we have started it from N10 Make. The number one is the third one is go high level, and you can go with Zapier. But we are main focus will be among these any three tools of this. We are going with Anytime, go high level. These two tools are most important, and from these two, Zapier or Make, you can choose one. Which one you think is better? This is basically a tool. These are the main whole game. You can build anything on Anytime. This tool is more flexible than this make and CPL. But go high level, it's like its parent of this anytime. Okay, this is the main skill, but we are also gonna be integrating other things like cursor, Replit, Lovable. I'm gonna be sharing all the things related to this with this anytime. We are gonna be using these tools. These are what are these? They are like builders. You can build websites, apps with these tools. You can integrate them with anytime make to make them automated. So we're gonna be creating voice agents. So you can either choose lemon. Uh, sorry, you can choose either a lemon lab, okay, a lemon lab, or Whoppy, or even or retail. Any of these. I usually use this 11 line, but WAPI is also easier to do things. Okay, you can go with WAPI or retail. Okay, we're gonna be using this because these things are in demand. So we are. You can also to make more complex agents. You can use MCP. What is MCP? So basically, I am just clarifying you these all things are in demand in the market right now. Your clients are totally looking after these things. These are common needs of any business. Okay, you can make them AI agent that has that gives analysis of a website that takes data from it using the APIs. It can give them weather report, Bitcoin report, and all other things. It books appointment. I mean, it's a multitasking agent. You can build these. Okay. So we are also going to be building. Now we are coming forward with the class number two assignments, which are they are related to your WhatsApp bot and or Instagram. You can do anything, and or IG bot, or even you can go with Telegram or Slack. Okay, but preferred things are more common on WhatsApp or IG because many of the businesses they use these two tools to get usually their clients. Okay, so we're gonna be making them automating their client acquisition thing. I mean, when a client goes and you see businesses contact us pages, you usually message them on their WhatsApp. I mean, restaurants and everything. We can automate them and we can sell them and our money. Okay. So this thing also we're gonna be making. So and other thing is most important is related to the lead generation. Okay, so how we gonna be building these things? Okay, in the class number one is done. You have watched it. You have built a 5 nodes automation. Okay, done. Now the second thing is lead generation or WhatsApp bot. You can one of the member has created this WhatsApp bot using API, which is very easy. You can I'm gonna mention him in the group, and he'll let you know. It's very simple process. Just get the WhatsApp API, and you are going to good to go build this bot. You don't get from Meta because it's very complex process. Okay, now we are going towards the other automation of the class number two is lead generation. How you gonna get lead generation? Okay, you go in your browser, type API 5 steppers. I mean, if you want to build leads, if you want to get leads for your business or any other business, you just go API file, create an account using the temp mail. Okay, temp mail is actually a website which gives you a fake Gmails. Okay, and thank God we can create API file accounts using this temp mail again and again. Here is the one scrapper which is very free. That is called LinkedIn Data Scrapper. Okay, so you can get any kind of a data from these scrappers. What's that mean? I mean, you are going to get a data that is from Instagram, that is from Google Map. I mean, whatever people have registered on Instagram, whatever the businesses have registered with those keywords, you're usually gonna get that data. Basically, they are illegal things, but this data is very useful in terms of client acquisition, and many of the businesses they do need this data. Okay? So there is sorry, yeah, there is a scrapper which is LinkedIn data scrapper. That is basically every scrapper here is paid. So you are not going to pay this thing. Your client will. So you can it has only a small fees. Okay, but you can charge on your purpose. Okay, so so they have bucks, but some of majority of them have fees. Some of them are free for 24 hours. Okay, you can take their trial again and again and do your task by as I tell you finding it again and again with them. So this scrapper is you can literally scrap it. So how to integrate this scrapper with anything? Okay. Go to ChatGPT or tell it that I want to build a scrapper. Okay, and this is my need. I want to build a scrapper for the LinkedIn. So it will tell you. It will suggest you build those in the anytime, and then API of this scrapper. Take it here from here. My mouse is not good. I don't know why. Okay, so you click in here or try for free. It will basically tell you about something. The API key is basically a URL which you have to paste in the HTTP node. Okay, I have made a automation to HTTP node. So what is the HTTP? HTTP node is basically a node uh, from where you can access a third-party app like this, a website like this, and basically you can also ask ChatGPT how to link this scrapper to your, you know, your N8N account. Please use Claude. Claude is preferred. If you have any other questions regarding this, please let me know. I'm gonna be sharing you this link. One. Okay, guys. Once this scrapper is opened, go to somewhere there's an option of integrations. Okay, so you will get a link in here. Sorry, runs some of this. Somewhere there is an option active. Yes, I think. Okay, guys. So to get the API for the N8, and you need to click in here. And now this is the API for the endpoints. You need to click in here, and then you need to click this thing. Which one you will get? Um, I just forgot. I think it is this one. This can be the API. You need to copy this. Okay, or this can be. I think this is more likely the API. So you have to copy this link and paste in your HTTP node in the N8N. So how to set that HTTP node? Where, what to know, what to do, where, which detail to give? You just go and type ChatGPT. It will give you every detail. You just copy and paste it. Anytime, anytime you stopped by error, just go. to plot, explain your error, and it will every detail. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. And if you have any other queries, I'm here with you in the group. Other members are here as well. So I'm gonna be building a next video. In the next video, it is AI video editor. So let's meet there.